Hey everyone, my name is Chris Hoffmann and today we're gonna learn 3 amazing crossover fills in 3 different subdivisions. So let's get started.
Art of Drumming is not just a YouTube channel, but also a free platform where you can find numerous drum-related courses filmed by major international artists. Head on over and join our growing community.
So what's the purpose of crossover fills? Well, first there's the visual aspect and the showmanship that is obvious, because it can look really cool. But there's also a melodical and musical aspect to it. By crossing and opening our hands, you can come up with unique sounding fills that you wouldn't be able to play playing clockwise or counterclockwise around the kit. So let's take a look at our example number 1. So fill number 1 is in 16th notes and we are playing a grouping of 3 notes, right, left, kick. So we are counting 3 E and a 4 E and a right, left, kick, 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 right, 1. So let's try this nice and slow between a bass drum and snare drum first, and pay attention that we close our fill with a crash with our left hand, and this might take a while to get used to, especially if you have only crashed with your right hand before. So nice and slow together with a metronome, and you can do this with me with your hands on your knees. And to make this a crossover fill, we play the 3 note grouping twice before we cross and open up our hands. Crossed hands meaning right hand plays hi-hat, left hand plays floor tom, and open-handed meaning floor tom is played by the right hand and hi-hat is played by the left hand. So let's try this orchestration nice and slow. And now let's practice this fill in the context of a groove. Goal tempo for this fill is around 120 beats per minute. Fill number 2 is in 16th note triplets, so we're counting 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a 1. And we are playing 2 different groups of 6s. The first one is right, left, kick, kick. And the second one is right, kick, right, left. And now let's play these 2 group of 6 notes back to back, so we have an entire bar of 4/4, nice and slow together with the click. I set it up to 50 beats per minute, and you can set up your metronome also in these types of slow tempos to an 8th note click. This will be much easier for you. And our orchestration starts by moving the first group of 6 notes clockwise around the kit. And for the next 3 notes of the second grouping, we cross our hands and play hi-hat, floor tom, hi-hat. And we use the following bass drum note to open up our hands again and play bass drum, floor tom, hi-hat. So the second group of 6 notes sounds like this. One more time. And after that, we just repeat the 2 groups of 6 notes and end our fill with 2 notes on the snare drum. So let's play this together. And now let's try this fill in the context of a groove, and I think at around 90 BPM this fill really comes to life. Fill number 3 is in 30-second notes, and we're taking the same sticking and the same orchestration from the previous fill, and we are phrasing it in 30-second notes, counting 1E and a 1E and a 2E and a 2E and a 3E and a 3E and a 4E and a 4E and a 1. So we're playing the groupings of 6 notes, we're playing them 5 times, which leads us with the rest of 2 notes that are played on the snare drum to end the fill. So the underlying rhythmic structure of this fill, groups of 6s in 30-second notes, sound like this. And for our orchestration, we use the same orchestration as in the previous fill, and this is how this orchestration in this 30-second note fill sounds like. And now let's practice this fill in the context of a halftime groove. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you had fun learning these fills, and I hope you try some of those ideas to implement them into your own playing, and I hope to see you play one day. And until then, have fun, take care, and bye bye.